Hey guys, I'm Sarah Bendrick. I'm a licensed landscape contractor, and today I want to show you how to transform this boring space into something wonderful using Outdeco panels. This space could really use a focal point, as well as some added privacy, so we built this wall a little bit tall. You can see it's made out of 4x4s and 2x4s, and each section fits my Outdeco panels perfectly. So to put up my panels, I'm going to pre-drill each panel with a countersink bit, and that allows my screws to sit flush with the board. I'm using these exterior deck screws. They're black and they're about 1.5 inches. I'm gonna start in the top corner and work my way down. It's actually really simple. So one thing you'll notice is I put a 2x4 across the top. It's 12 feet exactly, because sometimes when you stick posts in the ground and they're quite tall, they can kind of go wonky. So that allowed me to have a perfect square top and bottom. So the thing to remember is these panels have a front side and a back side, and each panel has a different design. And once you decide to place your design on one side, you want to continue all of them in the same orientation. So this panel, I'm going to line up with the corner, and then I'm going to screw in the top and level it. Great, I love how these look. I think they really elevate the yard. You can see we still get airflow, there's still light flow, but you also have that privacy. Now you can keep it as is with this natural brown look. It will weather out a little bit, or you could put a clear sealer on it, you can use a stain, or paint it any color that you want. And then of course these panels can be used in so many different ways. I use them horizontal across this way, but they could be freestanding. You can attach them to a stucco wall or a stucco house if you have a blank spot. So you can see these panels completely change the way that this space feels. And it was really easy to install. So if you can imagine using these panels in different applications, whether you have a tired fence that you want to decorate, or maybe you just want to have them freestanding, anywhere you might consider using lattice, you should probably consider using these Outdeco panels because they're going to last a long time.